Hello, myself Amit Kumar Sondhi, Chief Officer, Vengurla Municipal Council. Today, Mr. Ajit Kumar Parab has given a demonstration of Kalki in our market. After the application, the changes in the air quality are remarkable. Total elimination of carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide is unique achievement. And to the best of my knowledge, this has happened first time in human history. I wish him the best luck.
This demonstration of Kalki application is done in my presence. This application should be done everywhere. Air purification should be our sole mission. This application work really effectively, and we wish Ajit Kumar very well.
I'm so thrilled. I don't have words.